Entertainment and Writer Career Resources. Chapter 1. Resources to help navigate the entertainment industry. Entertainment Industry Job Resources 1. Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, AMPAS. Oscars.org. Academy of Television Arts and Sciences, ATAS. Emmys.org. Children in Film. childreninfilm.com. Entertainment Community Fund. entertainmentcommunity.org. Megan Law CA Predator Background Check. meganslaw.ca.gov/disclaimer. Motion Picture Association of America, MPAA. mpaa.org. Motion Picture and Television Fund. mptf.com. National Music Publishing Association, NMPA. nmpia.org. National Association of Talent Agents nataragents.com. New York Child Laws. labor.ny.gov/worker protection/labor standards/workprod/New York vsfed.shtm. Unclaimed Coogan Funds. unclaimedcoogan.org. Paley Center for Media. paleycenter.org. Entertainment Industry Job Resources 2. Advertising Age. adage.com. Breakdown Services. breakdownservices.com. Casting Society of America. castingssociety.com. Hollywood Radio and Television Society, HRTS. hrts.org. Internet Movie Database, IMDb. imdb.com. Women in Film. wif.org. Entertainment Guilds and Unions. Actors Equity Association, AEA. actorsequity.org. AFI.com, American Film Institute, AFI. Alliance of Motion Picture and Television Producers, AMPP. AMTP.org. Alliance of Canadian Cinema, Television and Radio Artists, ACTRA. actara.ca. American Federation of Musicians, AFM. afm.org. American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, AFTRA. sagaftra.org. ANA, 4A's Joint Policy Committee. jointpolicycommittee.org/news. Authors Guild. authorsguild.org. dga.org, Directors Guild of America, DGA. Documentary.org, International Documentary Association. eifoundation.org, the Entertainment Industry Foundation, the leading charitable organization of the industry. IATSE-INTL.org, International Alliance of Theatrical Stage Employees, Moving Picture Technicians, Artists, and Allied Crafts of the United States and Canada, IATSET. IAWG.org, International Affiliation of Writers Guilds. International Alliance of Theatrical Stage Employees, IATSET. IATSE.net. Producers Guild of America, PGA. Producersguild.org. SAG Independent Contracts. SAGIndie.org. Screen Actors Guild, SAG. sagaftra.org. SAG-AFTRA represents more than 160,000 actors, announcers, broadcasters, journalists, dancers, DJs, news writers, news editors, program hosts, puppeteers, recording artists, singers, stunt performers, voice-over artists, and other media professionals. StudioTeachers.com, Studio Teachers, IATSE Local 884. This union represents teachers who educate child performers. Writers Guild of America, UGA. WGA.org. Film, television, and writer organizations. Oscars.org, Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. Emmys.org, Academy of Television Arts and Sciences. AdCouncil.org, the Ad Council. AFCI.org, Association of Film Commissions. FilmIndependent.org, Film Independent. A non-profit membership organization for independent filmmakers. FilmmakersAlliance.org, Filmmakers Alliance. Independent filmmakers. GreenProductionGuide.com, Green Production Guide. Industry online toolkit designed to reduce the film, television, and streaming industry's carbon footprint and environmental impact. IFTA-online.org, Independent Film and Television Alliance. IAWTV.org, International Academy of Web Television. A non-profit membership organization for digital entertainment. Streamys.org/go, Streamy Awards honors and recognizes excellence in original episodic web television programming. MPAA.org, Motion Picture Association of America. PaleyCenter.org, the Paley Center for Media, locations in New York and Los Angeles, leads the discussion about the cultural, creative, and social significance of television, radio and emerging platforms. OBSWriter.com, Organization of Black Screenwriters, OBS. SMPTE.org, Society of Motion Picture and Television Engineers. Sundance.org, Sundance Institute, a nonprofit organization dedicated to the discovery and development of independent artists and audiences. Financial and community assistance. Entertainmentcommunity.org, Austin Film Festival and Conference, Entertainment Community Fund. MPTF.com, the Motion Picture and Television Fund. Living and aging well with dignity and purpose and in helping each other in times of need. Interactive organizations. IGDA.org, IGDA, International Game Developers Association. Scriptwritersnetwork.com, Scriptwriters Network. Writers supporting emerging writers with knowledge about the entertainment industry. SIPgroup.org, the Society of Internet Professionals, SIP. Artists' rights organizations. ACLU.org, American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU. AuthorsGuild.org, Authors Guild. Society of Published Authors, advocate for fair compensation, free speech, and copyright protection. CFAC.org, California First Amendment Coalition. Freedom of Expression. CISAC.org, Confédération Internationale des Sociétés d'Auteurs et Compositeurs, CISAC. EFF.org, Electronic Frontier Foundation, EFF. Civil liberties organization working in the public interest to protect privacy, free expression, and access to public resources and information online. Film-Foundation.org, the Film Foundation. A non-profit organization established by Martin Scorsese, dedicated to protecting and preserving motion picture history. NCAC.org, National Coalition Against Censorship, NCAC. PEN.org, PEN. PEN American Center is a membership association of prominent literary writers and editors. WIPO.org, World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO.